Hey everyone, this is going to be a walkthrough video on how to install the Belkin Ultraglass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. First off, you're going to want to make sure you have the correct screen protector. Don't make the same mistake I made and get the iPhone 14 Plus size. They don't mark it clearly on the box what size the screen protector is specifically for. One way of telling that I didn't know is by looking at the bottom right corner of the box. These 4 diamond shapes with the half bracket will let you know that this is for the Pro Max. But again, some people might not know that. What's included in the box is the screen protector, the template it sits within. It will have instructions on how to apply the screen protector, a microfiber cloth, and a sticker for any microscopic dust particles. So before putting the screen protector on, you will want to clean your phone screen to make sure it's clear of any dust particles, so it will not cause any air bubbles within the screen protector. First, clean it with some lens cleaner and the provided cloth in the box. Make sure to wipe it clean. Then you will want to take the provided sticker and take off the backing and use this to dab the screen for any microscopic dust particles that the cloth may have left behind. Once that is done, insert the phone into the provided template. While in there, you can clean it again to make sure it's free of any particles one last time. So there are 2 tabs here labeled 1 and 2. When you're ready to apply the screen protector, peel off tab 1. Then with tab number 2, you will want to pull down and place it onto the screen. Make sure the thin green line lays in between the green arrows here. Once the screen protector is applied, let the weight of the screen protector apply itself. You can see it apply itself here. Once that is done, you can push any air bubbles you see out. Take it out and you're done. You may want to clean it one last time, and that's it. This is the installation of the Belkin Ultraglass screen protector.